Hey, what is going on, guys? Forever Chicken 886 here, and this is Nerd. This is my new YouTube channel. It is going to basically be about like computer videos, like unboxings, and no, not you. Go away.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Well, anyway, this is my new YouTube channel, and I am going to be doing like unboxings, and I have no idea why my green screen is being so weird, but stop
Sorry,
it.
I'm not sure about
Not you. Just mute you. But yeah, I'm gonna do like unboxings and reviews and how-to videos and all sorts of things, and whoops, and the best part is every Sunday, I think, we haven't completely made it up or figured it out, but every Sunday we are going to be doing like a tech news, like a live stream or like a podcast almost. It's called Nerdcast. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get one out by this Sunday, but you never know with my schedule. But yeah, if you want to go subscribe over there, there will be a link in the description. But anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoy the new channel, and yeah. Sorry for not getting a video out on Monday, by the way. I was working on this. And yeah. Yeah. And by the way, I got my recording thing all squared away, so I'm recording at I don't think it was full HD, but standard definition 720p I think it was, at 60 FPS, no frame drops whatsoever. So that's a really good thing. Cuz yeah, it was horrid, utterly horrid before. And can I see, look at this. This is just on Chicken Craft, and look at this. Almost no frame drops on there. So yeah. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow in a brand new video. Yeah.